red and sweet. A for alligator, big sharp teeth. A for airplane, flying high. A for ant, so small, oh my. A for anchor, heavy and strong. Sing with me, come along. Sing along and learn with me. Fun with letters, 1, 2, 3. Let's go on a learning spree. Mint spree. B for ball, bounce so high. B for butterfly, in the sky. B for banana, yummy treat. B for boat, sailing neat. B for bear, big and strong. Let's keep learning, come along. C for cat, soft and cute. C for car, honk and toot. C for cake, sweet delight. C for clock, ticking right. C for cow, says moo moo. Learning letters just for you. D for dog, bark so loud. D for duck, quack in the crowd. D for dinosaur, big and tall. D for drum, let's play for all. D for door, open wide. Come on in, don't hide. E for elephant, trunk so long. E for egg, cracked and strong. E for engine, chugging fast. E for eagle, flying past. E for earth, big and bright. Spin around, day and night. We learned letters, yippee. Sing again and clap with glee. Learning is fun, so
F for fish, swims so free. F for frog, jumps like me. F for fire, warm and bright. F for feather, soft and light. F for flower, smells so sweet. Learning is fun, clap to the beat. F, G, H, I, J. Sing along and learn today. Fun with letters 1, 2, 3. Come along and rhyme with me. G for goat, eats all day. G for guitar, strum and play. G for giraffe, so tall and high. G for gloves, to keep hands dry. G for grapes, purple and round. Sing out loud, make some sound. H for hat, on high head. H for horse, gallops ahead. H for house, big and wide. H for helicopter, flying high. H for heart, full of love. Let's keep learning, don't give up. I for igloo, made of snow. I for ice cream, cold and slow. I for insect, crawling by. I for island, wave so high. I for ink, write and draw. Learning is fun for one and all. J for jam, so sticky and sweet. Tame. J for jellyfish, no bones, just neat. J for jeep, drives up the hill. J for jacket, to keep out